Pardon?
Pardon me, like why you are say pardon?
Pardon me. Uh,
Like forgive.
if you not say your voice, so no, not say sorry, say pardon.
Yeah, I understood, but I am asking why you are say pardon. I am not. You are not doing any mistake. Not I am doing any mistake. So why you say pardon? That's why I'm telling you.
I'm not saying. Uh, I am not listening your voice because um, they are noise. They comes a noise.
Yeah, okay. It means you.
No.
Yeah, I understood. Because when my voice is not coming, so we say other one like sorry, like I am not able to talk you properly. Na? That's why you are telling pardon. Okay, no problem. I got your point. And so I was we were conversation about like hotels. So what about your journey
So,
in this field?
uh, first of all, what is your interest in hotel? Uh, like F&B service. Do you know F&B service?
Sir, sorry, what service?
F&B service.
Assembly. Yeah,
Like F&B.
yeah.
What is F&B service? Do you know?
Subject is a concept like a group of peoples.
No, no, bro, no. F&B service like waiter.
Oh, waiter. Yeah.
Yes, waiter.
Okay.
Do you know housekeeping?
As housekeeping meaning is located like a person who care about in inside of hotel.
Responsible for the hotel
Yeah. It's a,
cleanness.
yeah, meaning is located like that, na?
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay.
You want to also know
Sorry.
Saf. You want to
Cap.
know Saf. Bawarchi.
Yeah. So actually,
And
you have better experience to me because you are hotel management student, and I have only listened and seen in my front eyes, not have observed any like theory and practical. You know,
yes,
yeah, you had read and write, so that's why you can build. You have build knowledge about it.
okay.
Yeah.
How is your weather today?
Sorry.
How is your weather today?
Oh, weather is too much well, and nearly 1 weeks in my area, weather is too much good, and not hot summer, not hot winter. It's a cool day. It's well day.
Okay,
Yeah, and your areas?
weather is also good.
Yeah, bro. Actually, you are living in Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh, I have never visited. So how is their areas? Like some people has living in hill area, and your area is like empty place, a place where is very few people are living. It is right or wrong?
Yeah. No, people are living Madhya Pradesh. It is right. They are they but uh, if you want to visit Madhya Pradesh, go to do you know Bheda Ghat? Where is Bheda Ghat?
I never visited Madhya Pradesh any place. I
Uh,
have listened some name like Ujjain,
I, I
Bhopal,
I am
and
from I am from Jabalpur in MP.
yeah.
Uh, Jabalpur Jabalpur's famous place like Bheda Ghat. There are it is make a movie like Mohan Jodoro.
So bro, I don't know anything about this because I have no much knowledge about India. Not India. It means our background knowledge because I am a student, I totally study when I got free time, be self study and play myself. So I am not enjoy with other word. Yeah.
Where are you belong?
Sorry.
Where are you belong?
Yeah, I told you na in my previous intro time. You forget it.
No, I'm saying, because your